Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. We are up early in the morning with the Alfa Romeo 4C. We're going to take it to the Alfa Doctor. Gonna get water pump and timing belt. Should get a new battery and oil change and other like little maintenance stuff. We're gonna head out to Burlingame, California to go see the Alfa Doctor. Let's go. By the way, if y'all are familiar with my channel, you know that I got that new stereo system put in. And it is working really nice. Also got that little dude up there. Really close to the dealership to see the Alfa Doctor. Man, there was a lot of traffic on the way here. But we're almost there. Safe and in one piece. Okay, there it is. Putnam, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. Putnam owns a lot of dealerships around here. I think my dad has actually met the guy on a personal basis. Used to be a Fiat dealership, so that's how they work on Alfa Romeos. I think they had Alfa Romeos. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it used to be an Alfa Romeo dealer, but they still have Fiat. That's what it is. Let's see. Not too tricky, I think. I think I can sneak right in there. Let's see. Speaking of Fiat. A little cramped. Ooh, a Wagoneer. Those things are really nice. Look at this. I was just walking around Burlingame and we come across this super wild Porsche wide body. Holy hell. Look at the wing on this. Wow. It's just out here. Look, just out here in the elements. Oh, I didn't realize there's a really nice Lexus. I think this is a LS 460 with a wide body as well. Yeah, wow, this is very cool. Very nice. Got Recaro seats in there. Don't want to get too close because I don't know who this belongs to. Yeah, that's really cool. I'll check out the front of the LS 460. Look at the wheels. Yeah, look at the front. Again, I was just walking around. I was gonna walk to the Porsche dealership, and then I'm nowhere near the Porsche dealership, by the way. It's a strike from here, but I decided like I could use the steps, and then came across this thing. So it's pretty nice that I decided to go for a walk and capture this. Anyways, yeah, we get some photos and keep on keeping on. Look at the Mercedes. That wild Mustang too. Anyways, yeah, I'll take some photos and then see if we can make it to the dealership. Here's a little dealership I came across with this 3 Chevys, including this pickup truck. Look at that license plate. Got the people's car, a VW. What's that? And then check out the Sunbeam. And then back there, look at this Porsche. So here's the dealership. Just walking by. And I think I've seen this car here for a while whenever I drive through the area, and it looks like there's some more back there. Not sure if I could go back there, so I won't. Simple as that. But yeah, I thought I'd record these real quick. And then the Honda dealership is there. Porsche is back that way. I've been walking for quite a while. All right, we've arrived at the Porsche dealership here in Burlingame. And I didn't notice that the Honda dealership, this has been here for a while. It used to be an Acura as well. I actually bought my RSX Type S from here brand new in, I want to say 2005. Maybe 2006. I can't remember. but it was like when they did the facelift for the RSX Type S. It was an Acura dealership, and then it was a Honda, and now it looks empty. Anywho, back to this dealership. Totally forgot that it's also an Audi dealership as well. Usually I never have trouble, or usually I don't have trouble just recording at dealerships just to kill time, but usually it's because I'm there with the car. Although I've kind of snuck around the Porsche dealership in Fremont, and yeah, I've been lucky enough where no one really said anything. We'll just go around the Taycan. This one's nice. This kind of reminds me of the one that was like a prototype with those nice wheels. Very cool. Yeah, we'll sneak through here. Go take a look. Look at this GT3 RS. Oh, it has a handle there, Instagram handle. I'll keep that to myself. Carrera 2, right there, and this beauty there, and yeah, the rest of the Audis. Look at this. Pretty sure this one, yeah, this is one of their e-tron ones, so they're electric ones. Pretty cool. We got the Beatles playing in the background. Hopefully it doesn't catch on the mic. All right, that was a really small dealership. I didn't even feel like recording like that. The mechanic section or the auto shop part of it was actually really nice and big, but then the showroom was really small. Didn't even think it was worth recording. There is a really nice GT3 Touring though over here in the parking lot that I want to show you guys. It's a nice green. Ooh, man. Those wheels, center lock, GT3 Touring. Yeah, very nice. Anyways, walking the streets of Burlingame, just see some cool cars. Expected to see more at the Porsche dealership. There really wasn't anything. There's a nice 718 Cayman GTS, but it's such a small showroom that I was like, forget that.
What's good?
And David too.
What's up?
Thanks guys for all your help.
No problem. Always.
Oh, check out his video. I'll link both. Part 2. I haven't even seen part 2.
And part 2.
Part 1 and part 2.
Don't forget.
Yes.
Check out.
They were like, yeah, it was really good, dude. I like that. Let's go. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh man, I missed her. Look at that.
There she is.
Yeah. Man, it's been a minute. Henry, again,
I love my job. Check me out on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
You know, check me out on Instagram also, Alfa Doc. I work out of Burlingame, California.
Yep, here we are.
This is what I do.
There's a place right there.
Yep.
Fiat.
Fiat,
that
Alfa.
Alfa there.
Yeah, Fiat, Alfa, and Maserati. So
there you go.
If you got one, come see me, please.
There you go. Thank you.
I'll go over the bill for you guys. Everything that was done. You probably heard it mentioned in the video, like what has been done with the car. And if you watch Henry's video, the Alfa Doctor, if you watch his video, he'll go over obviously what he did as well. But I'll go over the details as far as like the price and all that. For now, I will hit the road. All right, I am back home here with the Alfa Romeo 4C. It is quite a debate with some of the Alfa Romeo 4C owners that the timing belt has to be done by a certain time, and I must admit that I went, or at least I think I went over what those Alfa Romeo 4C folks say. So the Alfa Doctor, yeah, he didn't say anything as far as I could tell from his video, which I'll link down in the description, the two videos. But yeah, he doesn't mention anywhere in his videos that the belt looked bad or that I waited too long or anything like that. He didn't mention anything to me in person about that as well. So it's up to you guys as far as like when you want to do your timing belt. What I will say is that I did purchase the water pump and timing belt from Alpha 9. That seemed to be the best deal, and also one of the better parts to get. So I'll link that down in the description as well. So I didn't have to pay for that. But I will go over what I did have to pay for. So if you guys follow the channel, you know that I had battery problems with the Alfa Romeo 4C. So I did have to buy a battery. With my friend George's help, I did do some research. Something he recommended. It was more of like a lighter battery. It's normally used on some motorbikes that could fit on the Alfa Romeo 4C. Given that I needed a battery right away and it was going to be at the shop, I just didn't go with that, and I ended up just getting a battery from the Alfa Doctor himself from the shop. And that cost me $240. So yeah, for $240 for a battery. I'll go over all the labor costs in just a bit. It did do the 30,000 mile interval scheduled maintenance service. I did have the oil change, the oil filter, looks like the windshield wiper fluid, which is actually kind of awkward to do on this car itself. I also did the spark plugs and also did what's called the brake fluid exchange. Oil change, brake fluid exchange, spark plugs, fuel injection cleaning service. Again, along with the battery and the labor to do the
timing belt and water pump all together, everything came out to $3,031.18. Labor alone was $2,131.84. $818.55 of that was parts. But again, I actually got the parts from Alpha 9. It has been a while since I bought the part. It's funny, I've actually bought the parts, the timing belt and water pump before I moved into the new house. And I've lived at this house now for a little over a year. So yeah, crazy. Anyway, so I'll put that price up in the description as well. That's gonna do it for now. Hope you guys liked the little vlog of going out to the dealership, checking out those cars throughout Burlingame, and then just giving you guys a little bit of a hint of what it would cost as far as maintenance for the Alfa Romeo 4C. It is not your typical, price of something you would do, like let's say, for example, when I had the timing belt and water pump changed on the Lexus LS 430. Well, for one, I got that done by a family member, so I didn't have to pay for labor. But if I had to, it probably would have cost me just a fraction of the price for labor for everything compared to the 4C. And you'll see on the Alfa Doctor's video exactly why it costs so much for labor. These cars are, they're not, your typical car you just pop open and start working on it. So you'll see on this video exactly all of the labor that has to go into it. Anyways, that's gonna do it for today. Hope you guys like it. Make sure to give that a thumbs up, share with anyone that might like this type of content, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.